Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is the Sima First Alert WX-150. I actually got this one from a friend. Which is pretty cool radio. Backlight. Yes. It was complicating at first. So that is the radio. I think I might mount it on the wall. I'll mount it on the wall when I have the chance to, and then we'll start using it. So, oh god, for a second I thought crashed, because first alert radios are known to crash. So, I'm actually quite excited to have this. Yes, this radio and the Bearcat are the last one I'm going to have for a while, unless if I find a first alert WX-268 or 167. That's all for now. Peace.